HbA1c is not a test for diabetes. It is how much sugar your body is exposed to over the past 3 months. It marks the cornerstone for metabolic health monitoring and is a measure of the percentage of hemoglobin coated with glucose molecules. Since the lifespan of the red blood cells is just about 90 to 120 days, it gives us the average sugar over the past 3 months. Apart from the average blood glucose monitoring, HbA1c also is the driving force for plaque formation. That is, it tells us the degree of plaque formation in the arteries and arterioles, thus indicating whether we are at risk of heart diseases and the stroke. The normal HbA1c is considered to be anything below 5.6%, and the range between 5.6 to 6.4 is considered to be pre-diabetes, and anything above 6.4 is considered to be diabetics who are in need for clinical intervention and treatment. We should stop treating HbA1c test like a yes or no test to diabetes, since a person can have a HbA1c of 5.4 and still continue to have sugar spikes and crashes. These sugar spikes and crashes are the ones which causes more oxidative stress than the sustained high blood glucose levels. HbA1c test gives average blood glucose levels over a period of 3 months rather than a blood glucose level at a particular point of time. There are other tests which help us measure the blood glucose levels at a particular point of time, like continuous glucose blood monitoring or a fasting blood glucose levels or a postprandial blood glucose level. One might get very anxious when their HbA1c levels are at a higher range. There are a few steps when followed help us lower the A1c levels. Firstly is the strength training. By doing strength training, we build muscles which act as a glucose sink and thus nudging the A1c levels to a lesser number. And by also following a diet which is rich in whole food, a fiber-rich diet, helps us get the blood sugar levels to a lower range and thus maintaining a good HbA1c levels. So stop asking, do I have diabetes with a high HbA1c, and start asking what this high blood sugar level is doing to my body.